Hi, I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a Chinese chicken noodle salad. So the very first thing that we're going to do is actually get our chicken into poach because we have to let it cook and then cool it and shred it. So I have some chicken stock here. I've got some fresh sliced ginger that I'm going to add in to flavor that. Right. Got my chicken breast here I'm going to put in. All right, so we're going to let those cook. All right, the very next thing that we need to work on is baking off our noodles. So we have some ramen noodles that we've discarded the packet and we've crushed them up into a bowl here. We have some slivered almonds. We have some sesame seeds. All right, we're gonna toss this with a little bit of oil. You can use canola, you could use a little bit of vegetable oil, olive oil, or in this case we're using a little bit of peanut oil. I'm going to toss all of this. Season this a little bit. Just a little pinch of salt. Make sure that you've got everything nice and coated. We're going to go on to a baking sheet. Start to kind of spread this out a little bit. All right, and we're going to pop this into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until we get a nice toasting on our noodles and almonds and our seeds here. All right, so we're popping these in. You want to watch these close because we don't want them to burn. All right, so our chicken is poaching. Meanwhile, go ahead and prepare our dressing for our salad. I'm going to start off with a little bit of salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, in the bottom of a bowl. We have some sugar. We have orange juice. Go ahead and stir this up a little bit. I've got soy sauce. Cider vinegar. And a little bit of sesame oil. All right, that's ready to go, so I can set aside. Just kind of flipping my chicken over in the poaching liquid. Needs a little bit longer to cook still. All right, we're ready to pull our noodles and our almonds and our sesame seeds from the oven. You can see they've got a little bit of color to them now, and you can really start to smell them. Get that nice toasted smell in the air. So we're gonna let those set aside while our chicken continues to cook, and it should be getting close. There we go. All right, it appears that we are cooked. So at this point, I'm going to set this off of the heat and drain this off. All right, we're going to let this chicken cool. You can discard the poaching liquid. All right, so our chicken has cooled. Now we're ready to begin shredding it. I'm just going to use a couple of forks, and you want to leave it into some bite-sized pieces. That way you have a little bit of texture in your salad. Get some nice chunks of chicken. Okay, at this point we're ready to assemble our salad. So I'm going to take some of the dressing, 3 good tablespoons worth, place it in the bottom of my bowl. I'm going to add in my scallions. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the cabbage. I'm going to add in our shredded chicken pieces. And our toasted noodles, almonds, and sesame seeds. All right, give this a toss. Okay, drizzle of our dressing. All right, and all that's left to do now is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.